If you want to add page numbers in the Gamma app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also point out an important limitation you need to know before you start. This is a quick and simple Gamma tutorial, and by the end, you'll know how to place page numbers on your cards so your presentation looks more polished and organized. If this video helps you, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Gamma project. Make sure you're already inside the presentation or document where you want to add the page numbers. Once you're in the project, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open the available options. From the drop-down list, select Page Setup. This is where Gamma keeps the settings for the structure and layout of your pages. Now, here's something important. Page numbering options can only be edited if you have a paid subscription. So if you don't see the option right away, that may be because the feature is restricted to a paid plan. Once you're inside Page Setup, look for the Add Elements tab. Click on that tab to open the layout elements you can add to your page. This section is where Gamma lets you place items like numbers and other design elements in specific areas of the card. Now choose the location where you want the page number to appear. For example, you might want it in the bottom left corner or the bottom right corner depending on the style of your project. Click on that box or position and then select the card number option. This will insert the page number into that spot on your Gamma card. After that, take a moment to review the layout and make sure the page numbers appear exactly where you want them. If the placement looks off, you can go back and adjust the position until it feels right for your design. That small extra step can make a big difference in how professional your final Gamma project looks. And that's it. Once you follow those steps, you've successfully added page numbers in Gamma. It's a simple process, but knowing where the setting is can save you a lot of time and confusion. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.